first of all, okay, I would like to clarify one thing. That is, okay, Google Doc or Google Sheet or Google Drive. This is not actually a office application tools, okay? You need to treat it as a collaboration tools. What does it mean? That means, okay, this is actually the platform, okay, for you and your co-workers to work together on a single file. Okay, the beauty of this platform is like that. Okay, whenever you add any file, okay, for example, a document file, a Word spreadsheet file, or Power presentation file, okay, all the activities, okay, that happen on this platform will be shown or maybe has a log, okay, on the platform. That means whenever you do something wrong and you would like to resume, okay, back to normal, you have the capability to handle it. Okay, no need to, for example, if you save that file, okay, in the shared drive, for example, okay, if you would like to resume it back to a previous version, okay, this is nearly impossible because you need to call the ITS help desk and say, I would like to resume my file, okay, back to the previous version, and then they will, you need to wait for maybe 1 to 2 days. Okay, to resume and back to normal. However, if you use this platform, okay, the beauty is once you resume it, then you can get the previous version immediately. Okay, let me mention more about it. Okay, first of all, if you would like to use the Google services, okay, you need to first of all have a Google account. I think all of you has already got the Google account, right? And there's the second thing that is, okay, the beauty of the Google Drive is, okay, it supports nearly all the different platform apps. For example, if you are using the iOS, okay, they provide apps for you to handle the Google document easily on your iPad, iPhone, something like that. If you are using Android, okay, they also still have the Android version for you. Okay, this is the most beautiful things, okay, I think nowadays in the world, because you know, okay, basically the desktop computer or notebook computer will be retire soon, okay, and the coming in the foreseeable 20 to 30 years, I think this is the year, okay, for all the smart device, okay, like iPad, iPhone, something like that. Okay, now first of all, okay, I would like to introduce the Google Drive to all of you first. Okay, basically Google Drive, okay, this is very easy. Okay, basically as you can see here, this is my Google Drive. Okay, on my Google Drive, if you are not a paid user, you will initially got 20 gigabyte memory, okay, for you to keep files. If okay, you feel interested, okay, I would like to upload more file onto my shared drive, okay, on Google, then you need to pay money for it. Okay, and now what you can see here is I have already have several different files on my Google Drive. If you say, David, I would like to do filing, okay, for my files, what should I do? Simple, just simply right click this area, and then you can find an option called new folder, and then you can create any folder you like. Okay, for example, now I would like to create a folder called the share information, something like that. And also, if you say, David, I would like to move this file and this file, okay, into this single folder, what should I do? Simple. Select this one, press Shift, okay, just similar to that in Windows platform. Press the Shift button, then you can initially, okay, select both files, and then just simply drag and drop into this folder. Then done. Got it, right? And also, on the other hand, once I select this folder, see what happened on my right hand side. As you can see here, there is an information button. Whenever you click the information button, what you can see here is what? Okay, when this folder create, who create this, right? And also here is the activities, who drag which file into this file. All this information has a log file, okay, to keep this, okay? And also now, if you say, wow, David, I would like to share this folder with my coworkers, then what should I do? Simple. Just simply select this folder, and then on your top right corner, as you can see here, share information. Once you click the share information, here will pop up something for you. Okay, first of all, okay, you can, the system will ask you for the email. Okay, for example, I would like to share with this guy, David Man at leephone.com.hk, something like that. And then I grant the access right, okay, add the access right or view only access right to this guy. Then I can just select this option here and then type my message to invite this guy to work together on this file. Okay, after you click the send file, then the Google will send the invitation email through the Google Gmail account of you to this guy. Of course, it will say, I would like to send the invitation via my company's email. Then what should I do? Very simple. Just select can edit here. And then out here have a button called the get shareable links, right? After you click the shareable links, then here you can see, okay, anyone with this link can view, can edit, or more. Okay, you can adjust the access right for the link user. Okay, for example, if you would like to invite the colleague to collaborate their idea and with the editor right, then just select editing. Okay, and then highlight this hyperlink, Control C, and then paste it on your invitation email, and send to that guy. Then after your coworker click this link, then he or she may get the editor right to access this file and work together. Okay, is it clear? Okay, and then what next is like this. For example, if we say, how about if we work together, what happened? Okay, anyone of you try to work together with the Google Drive platform before? Yes. Okay, altogether, how many people can work together at the same time on a single file? Any idea? 20 maximum. At least 20, yes, at least 20. Okay, basically, according to the technical specification, they say the code themselves can more than 200. Okay, but I can't see. Okay, all of you guys will collaborate idea all together with more than 200 people at the same time. Okay, but the beauty is, okay, that means that whenever you edit the single file, okay, then what happens? For example, if you are editing a let's say let me open a file like this. Okay, new. Okay, not only open the folder, but also you can open some document. Okay, Google document, Google Sheet, Google Slide, something like that. For example, I open the Google Sheet here. That means, okay, whenever you are editing on the same spreadsheet with your coworkers, okay, for example, now I'm editing the B3 cell. Okay, for example, I type hello. Okay, at this moment, because I'm now editing the B3 cell, what does it mean? That means, okay, the Google Drive will lock the B3 cell for you only. That means only you can edit B3 cell at this moment. When, okay, they will release the access right to another guy. It's very simple. Just remove the active cell to another cell. Then the B3 will release to other party to do editing. Okay? That means, okay, all the Excel spreadsheet or all the spreadsheet on Google Drive, they will down to the cell level protection, okay, for each cell. This is point number 1 I would like to introduce in Google Drive, okay? And what next? Okay, for example, now I do the editing on the this spreadsheet, right? Okay, if you would like to rename this spreadsheet, very simple, just click here. This one called the David testing file, just like this. Okay, then on this side, you can see a file, okay, called the David testing file, right? And then whenever I type something here, okay, then this folder will keep updating, okay, all the information inside this folder, and all the coworker on this file can also see the see who is editing. Okay, for example, okay, let me show you what happened. Okay, for example, now I'm using my iPad to access this file at the same time. See what happened. Okay, open the sheet. Oh shit. See? Okay. Whenever I type something new here, oh, okay. See here. Whenever I mouse over this active cell, okay, it will show you another David Mann is editing this file. And now this one, the blue in color active cell is your active cell, your recent active cell. See? That means, okay, you can work together in this way. For example, if you say, well, I would like to work together with somebody else in America, then what should you do? You may just have a phone call together and then work together on this platform. Very simple, very easy. Okay? Okay, and the other problem is, okay, because, for example, if your boss would like to have some suggestion for your action, okay, then what should your boss do? Very simple. If say, okay, your boss, okay, highlight, just want you have some comment on this cell, then what should he do? Right here, and then here you will get a something called the insert comment, right? See what happened insert comment. We color this cell, something like that. Okay, this is my comment. Then what happened? Okay, once, okay, you can see your boss have some comment here, then what should you do? Okay, you may just, okay, according to my boss requirement, okay, I just recolor, okay, this cell, and then say what? Resolve. See? Okay, this is the use of comment. Okay, because somebody else, okay, left an email to me and say they would like to copy the comment, okay, from one cell to another cell. I say, you cannot on the Google, okay, because the comment on Google is not using in this manner. This is only for what? For your boss to give comment to his or her co-pilots, okay, co-workers. Is it okay? It's clear? Okay, so that's why I would like to tell you, okay, this is impossible, okay? Of course, okay, if you would like to use more function, okay, another function I would like to share with you is this, okay, because this is also the question that given by you as well, because in data, okay, basically we have an option called the validation. Okay, I think most of you know how to use the validation in Excel. Basically, validation, if you change to, if I change the name validation to combo box, I think it is much more easier for you to understand, because this is actually the function what? First of all, okay, to have a list of items. For example, I would like to have a list of items of a different country, Hong Kong, China, and Taiwan, and Japan, and Korea, something like that. Okay, after I type in the list, okay, with a comma separator here, and click save, and what happened here? And then what you can see here you will got, okay, different option for you to choose. Okay, this is actually, we will so-called this as the combo box. Okay, if you would like to copy this combo box, okay, to other cell, very simple, just simply click here and then drag and drop. Then you can copy the what? The validation cell or combo box, okay, to other cell to create a form. Okay, the beauty for this option is like that. Okay, it can help to prevent human error by entering by having a spelling mistake, okay, into the active cell, into the cell. Okay, this is very simple and useful. And also, we have already have an experience is like this, okay? Because most of you are very struggling in using the Google Drive, because the file format is not so compatible with your Microsoft Excel. Okay, as mentioned before the lesson, okay, with the Hong Kong colleague, okay, we have sort out and solution, right? That is, okay, have a look here. Just simply click File here, and then go to what? Go to the download as. And over here, please do select this option, XLSX. And then we discover that nearly all the format, and also including this data validation format, can be reserved under the Microsoft Excel on your desktop machine. Okay? This is very important, okay, to you. And also the beauty of the Google also have another very powerful features. It's like this, okay. You can not only, okay, to save it as what? As an XLS file, but also PDF file, and also if you would like to convert into CSV, also acceptable, okay, for you to download all the data into CSV format. Basically, okay, any one of you need to use CSV format, okay, in your work environment? No. Okay, because there are no longer have CSV upload in XTS, right? So no longer using the CSV file, I know. Okay. And now, okay, I would like to introduce some more features, okay, in Google. Okay, basically, because in your email, you would like to know more about the shortcut key. Okay, I've already got a selection of a shortcut key for PC users. Okay, I will send you this, okay, file, okay, to all of you after the lesson. I will convert this, okay, into PDF format first. And also, I would like to know how many of you are using Macintosh machine? No, because I also has a collection of shortcut key on Macintosh machine. Actually, okay, I will send you this PDF file for you as well, because I'm not so sure whether or not you will upgrade your machine to Mac, okay, in your division. No? Why? Mac machine is the real computer in the world, you know. Okay? Other machine is shit. Piece of shit. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I hate IBM machine, okay? Because this is not so professional if you use it. If you're using an Apple machine, oh, you will feel yourself, okay, it's a professional, okay? And also the color of the Mac design and the shape of the Mac machine, okay, it is very suitable to match up with a different fashion, especially your division are working on what? In fashion and garment industry, right? I think all of you should equip with a Macintosh machine. Just kidding, okay? Anyway, okay, will send you this all shortcut keys, okay? But one thing I can share with you is this, okay? Because I have do some research as well on the compatibility issue, okay? Basically, okay, because basically Google and Microsoft are two different companies. So whenever if you would like to prepare an Excel file, okay, to upload to the Google Drive, I would suggest you to make it as simple as possible, because according to your usage, most of you say, okay, you are just treat as a collaboration platform, okay, for people to easily to updating data with another party and to check it easier, right? So I think you better to keep the format simple. For example, okay, just like this. Okay, here, if you would like to add one more sheet here, it's just like this. Okay, name, color, style, cost, and price, something like that here. Okay, just make this table as simple as possible. Just simply highlight this, okay, and with some highlight here for the items. For example, this one is a Ada cold, something like that, and color is red, and style is I have no idea. Okay, TT, okay, 1 2 3. Why? Oh, hey. My machine hand. 撳唔到嘅。Oh no, it's okay now. I know what happened. Yeah. Okay, just like this. To make the table as simple as possible. Okay, just like this. Okay. This is very important, because in the old time, whenever if you would like to use the Excel spreadsheet, I think most of the users like you, okay? For example, if I type a table, okay, like this, cost and price. I think most of you would like to do this, okay? Just highlight this title and then click insert and then insert table to make the table, right? Most of you will try to make table in this manner. However, if you find that, okay, you use to upload the table, okay, to the Google Doc, I will suggest you not to do this. Okay, just make the file as simple as possible. Okay, the title you need to type it by yourself and type all the content by yourself like this. Okay, of course, maybe you find that wow, it is not so good and not so efficient. Yes, it may be not so efficient, but remember one thing, that is Google Doc. The idea of the concept for this design is to let you to do collaboration, not doing formatting or calculation at the very beginning. Okay, of course, if you say, wow, David, can we use a pivot table as well, okay, on the Google Doc? Okay, I suggest you not to upload an Excel file with a pivot table to Google Doc. Okay, because okay, I find that okay, even though in Microsoft Excel, if you are using different version of Microsoft Excel, their pivot table are different. They are not compatible as well. So don't try to uploading a Excel file with pivot table or onto the Google Drive. But if you really want to do it on Google Drive, then what should you do? Simple. Use these tools. Pivot table. That means you need to first of all to upload the table. Okay, the raw data to the Google Doc first, and then use the pivot table feature on Google Doc to make it. Okay, basically very simple, just the same as that of the Microsoft Excel. Okay, FU, something like that. Very simple. Okay, similar to that. So that's why before the lesson I told you that okay, for this lesson I'm not teaching you okay how powerful Google app is, how powerful Google Sheet can help you. Okay, what I'm trying to do is to let you know first, this is actually a collaboration platform, and second, you need to massage. Okay, you should have a new work process. Okay, to work with your customer. Okay, with this platform. Basically, I think this platform can help you to enhance your efficiency. Okay, finally. Okay, but you need to adjust. Okay, your workflow and work style. Okay. Now, okay, this is pivot table, and also if you say, well, is it possible for us to change the color of the tab? Yes, you can do this as well. Okay. Very simple. Okay. And now, I would like to have one more sheet here. Okay, for the format, okay, basically the same as that of the Microsoft Excel. Okay, you can apply your concept, okay, of Microsoft Excel on this on the Google app. Okay, and here we have data, and data we've got the pivot table and validation, which is similar to that in Microsoft Excel. And also one more thing. Is like this, is the add-on. Okay, what is the use of add-on? Okay, add-on. See here, what's the add-on? Any idea what is add-on? Get add-ons. In Microsoft Excel, okay, you will have so many fun. You can buy different add-on from those third-party developers, okay, which can enhance your efficiency. For example, if you find that your Excel spreadsheet, okay, can do some specific function, or maybe that specific function is too complicated to you, then you can ask for some third-party developer to write some add-on for you, and then you need to pay money for it. However, if you don't want to pay money, then what should you do? Okay, in Excel you can do nothing. Okay, because every add-on should need to pay money. Okay. However, in Google app, okay, can you see here? Add-on, so many good stuff here. Do you know what is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is what access all of your Google Analytics data in Google Spreadsheet. Do you know what is Google Analytics? This is useless to you, okay? Okay, I just want to introduce, because the Google Analytics is very, very, very useful, okay, in ITS, okay? Do you know the use of Google Analytics is like this? We can add some code on our web page. Okay, and by means of the Google Analytics features, we can know the hit rate, okay, of our website and different advertisement, how many people go to the advertisement, and to keep track on the behavior of the browsing behavior of our users. Okay, this is the beauty of Google Analytics. And Google Analytics, if you are not a business use, okay, it is free of charge. Anyway, let's have a look here. They still have so many powerful stuff here. Okay, yet another mail merge, okay, have some special function, okay, to help you to create mail merge with the what? Google Spreadsheet and Gmail, okay, which is free of charge. You may try it, okay, free of charge. Remove duplicates. It can help you to what? To check your Google Drive, see how many files are duplicate, to help you to remove those duplicate files. See, free of charge. All of these features are free of charge. This is very important, right? Okay, just simply have a look on this different function. Okay, workflow. You can create your own workflow. Okay, on the spreadsheet workflows. What does it mean? That means if you would like to build some workflow in your own division, okay, for example, need to get the grade 1 approval in order to send this spreadsheet to our customer, then what should you do? You can making use of this feature, add-on features, to create some approval workflow, okay, by yourself with this free app. See? This is very good, okay? Just simply have a look. And this one, very important. Build a mobile app. See? Wow. After you see the term mobile app, then you can find that, wow, I need not to give money to a developer to develop a Google app for you. You can making use of this icon, okay, to do it by yourself. Very simple. Okay. This is the beauty for the Google apps. Yeah, this is excellent. Okay. Remember this one. Of course, after you add these features, for example, I got the Gmail for worksheet and this one Google Analytics for this worksheet. However, if you would like to remove it, then what should you do? Very simple. Go to Manage Icons, and then out here you can remove it. Okay? Simple, right? And beautiful. Okay. Okay, what next? Okay, because some of you would like to know, okay, how about a function? Okay, basically I've already checked it. Okay, nearly all the Excel function, okay, are supported under the Google app. Okay, because most of you are using these functions, right? For example, okay, VLOOKUP. See, VLOOKUP. Okay, they also have VLOOKUP. If you try to read in depth on this documentation, you can find that basically the usage are the same. So that's why VLOOKUP, okay, nearly the most complicated function that you will use in your division, okay, also supported by Google Spreadsheet. So okay, I think you can, the other features, okay, you can use it freely, okay, and then you can assume that it also 100% compatible with that of Microsoft Excel. Okay, any function that you are frequently used, okay, in Excel spreadsheet, any functions, FH, right? FH, you can see here, FH. Yeah, yeah. AVERAGE. Wow, that's it. 冇有㗎，有啊，頭先啱啱先睇完嚟。咦，點唔見咗嘅？ Wow, I need to double check it. How come? Because I here. Wow. I want to have some F word too. Anyway, FHC here. Okay, you can check. Okay, see whether your function, those functions you are frequently used, okay, is whether it is included in Google Spreadsheet or not. Okay, you can check it here. Okay, very simple. Go to Insert and then go to the function. Have a look. And also, you may also generate some chart as well. Okay, but also the same thing happen here. Okay, I will suggest you not to upload a chart okay, upload a Excel spreadsheet with chart, okay, to the Google Drive, because I've checked it, okay, it is really not support, okay, the pop function, okay, of Excel on the Google Drive as well. So the one thing I need to remind you that is, okay, remember, upload only raw data to the Google Sheet, okay? Okay, this is here. Clearly, most of them are similar to that of Excel, okay? And also, of course, if somebody else say, wow, David, beside Excel spreadsheet, okay, are there any function that can help us to enhance our productivity? Yes, okay, because I can say this, okay, because beside the spreadsheet, you can also what, to create some slide, okay, on the Google Drive as well. Basically, it is similar to that of Microsoft PowerPoint, okay, for Google Slides. However, one thing I need to remind you is, okay, because for those something called the animation features and transition features, okay, which are 100% not supported by PowerPoint. Okay, because I tried before, okay, basically for the spreadsheet, okay, uploaded to the Google Drive, I find that it is not so useful. Okay, but it is only for what? For the design collaboration. That means, okay, if you would like to collaborate the idea, the content with your customer or supplier or some co-worker out of the Li & Fung office, I think it is very useful. However, if you would like to add some animation, multimedia effect, okay, to the Google slide, I think this is not a good stuff for you. Okay, if you would like to work together on a PowerPoint, something like that, I will suggest you to use OneDrive instead of Google Drive. Okay, because if some of you, okay, join my training session before, for Microsoft PowerPoint, I would suggest you to use a OneDrive instead of Google Drive. However, for spreadsheet, I find that whether or not you are using OneDrive or Google Drive, they are more or less the same. Okay, they are more or less the same. So that's why, okay, I will not have an in-depth, okay, presentation on this document, okay, on the Google slide, okay? And here, and Google Doc, okay, no need to mention, I think. Google Doc is more or less like what? Like Microsoft Word, okay? Huh? Yeah, Word, yeah, Microsoft Word. Basically, okay, what you can see here is to do what? Simple tools, okay, for example, have what? Voice typing, see? This is the beauty for this one, voice typing. Because they are equipped with the Google Translate, okay? That means that whenever, if you have a microphone, if you would like to type something, you may just simply to what? To voice out like me, okay, and then it will type automatically for you. Yeah, this is the most beautiful thing for this. And the second thing, that is translate document. Yeah, very important, right? What they are using is the Google Translate. If you trust Google Translate, you can use it. But I can tell you one thing, that is Google Translate is already the best translator in the world. Okay, because whenever, okay, no matter, okay, how bad you think the translation, but especially if you want to try to translate some English into Chinese, you'll find that wow, so many things are not so good translation, right? However, I can remind you one thing, that is, although the translation is very poor, however, you can read from the Chinese, know what the guy talking about. This is the beauty for Google Translate. Yeah, and also, do you know why Google invests so many money in doing translation? Do you know why? Because they want to share knowledge together for the global village. It is impossible for people, okay, to learn the foreign language easily. Okay, especially, for example, me, I'm a typical Hong Konger. Okay, my mother tongue is Cantonese, and my written script is is Chinese. However, although I have already learned English for a long time, okay, for nearly 30 years. However, at this moment, I still my English is still very crap. Okay, so that's why they invest so many money to develop the Google Translate to translate the document for all of you. If, for example, if you receive some German document or some French document, you can make use of it. Okay, from one European language to translate into another European language, I think it is work. It works. It works. Yeah. This is what I would like to introduce to you: voice typing and translate document. It really works. Okay, and any one of you know what is script editing? Basically, in Microsoft, in Google Sheet and Google Slide also have the script editor. Do you have any idea what is script editor? Let me show you. I don't think you will use it. Because if you find that the function of Google Doc is crap, then you can write some program to program it. So that's why for this version of Google Drive or Google Sheet or Google Doc, okay, I find that it is quite similar to the function of Microsoft Office already. So that's why if I were you, if you are now paying money for Microsoft Office, okay, I mean the desktop version, I think it's time for you to think about it, whether or not you still pay for Microsoft or try something free and good for you. Okay, if the features are in Microsoft Office is not 100% suitable for you, you start to think about it. Okay. Okay, I think most of you has already tried before, okay? And up to this moment, any problem you discovered, okay, in using the Google Doc, Google Drive? No. Any one of you try to use the app version? No. Only one of you. Okay, use the app version. Maybe, Impossible. Yeah. But the thing is, okay, maybe I try to show my app version and my version to all of you because before I come here, okay, because of the compatibility issue in using the Windows platform machine, okay, I find that the most convenient solution is to use iPad, iPhone to do the document preparation is the best solution for all of you. If you really need to use the Microsoft, use the Google Doc. Okay, let me show you some demonstration. Okay, this is my machine. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, just wait a minute. Because I need to connect my iPad to the to my notepad, to my notebook computer. Sorry. Good, got it. Okay, basically this is my iPad. Okay, this is my iPad. If you go to the App Store, okay, out here, just type in the Google. Because my iPad has already equipped this keyboard, so that's why I can type easily, okay, on my keyboard. And also one more thing, if you really want to buy an iPad and buy a keyboard for your iPad, don't buy the Apple keyboard. The reason is the Apple keyboard is very expensive, more than 1,000 Hong Kong. However, for this Microsoft keyboard, okay, also compatible with the iPad, it only cost me 450. Okay. Don't try to buy the original Apple stuff, okay? Okay, except this pen. Except the Apple Pencil. This stuff really good. It is must. Okay, it is must. Okay? because I'm a follower of Steve Jobs. So that's why I buy all the product of Apple except iPhone 7. Okay. Okay, now as you can see here, okay, for Google, okay, they have so many good stuff here. Okay, please, okay, if you are using Android and iPhone, please do download these few apps. Okay, the Google Sheet, Google Doc, and Google Slide. Okay, of course, especially for you are using the Google Sheet, okay, and work with your customer. Just download this Google Sheet and click open. And then this is my Google Sheet. If this is the first time for you to use the Google Sheet, and then you need to do what? You need to, first of all, to log into your account. Okay, for example, for me, I have several Google account, okay? Learning at Gmail and Hong Kong Learning Magazine at Gmail, something like that. Okay, these are my accounts, okay? And then once I connected to my account, what happened? Okay, I can just go to the Google Drive to have a look, okay? See what file are now ready on my Google Drive. For example, as you can see here, these are my folders. These are my folders, okay? Forms, Google Sheet, Notability, all are the forms. All are the forms, right? And here are the documents. For example, the David testing file, Google Excel, something like that, right? If I would like to open this file, just click this, and then my iPad will automatically download the spreadsheet onto my iPad, and then open with the Google Sheets, just like this. Whenever you would like to add something, do something, you can making use this. Okay, for example, if I would like to type some formula, okay, like here. Average, 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 okay, something like that. Calculate average. See here, if you would like to, okay, have some features, okay, to do formatting like this: bold font, coloring, yellow, blue, purple. If you would like to add some more different format, okay, to the cell, you can making use of these features. And here on my right hand side, you can also have some enhanced features. For example, the detailed information about this spreadsheet. Okay, when to create this spreadsheet, and when I do modification on this spreadsheet, we will have so many detailed description on this file as well. Okay. This is the best way, okay, to making use of your iPad to do the company's task, okay, with your iPad. This is really the must to have app on your iPad as well, okay? And the second thing I would like to tell you is, okay, one thing I forgot, okay, to do is about another features of a Google Doc, okay? I will tell you later, okay? Basically, okay, this is the Google app, okay? Available on the on iPad. And another thing I would like to introduce to you is about the another features, because I have already covered quite a lot about the Sheets, Google Sheet, Google Doc, and Google Slides. Okay. However, one more features. This is also very famous. Okay, to Google. That is the what? That is the Google Form. Anyone of you heard about it? Form. This is actually for survey usage. Okay, because nowadays in our company, most of our division will use the service provided by ITS from the SurveyMonkey, right? However, if you don't need the so sophisticated form setting, something like that, you may making use of the Google Form to create your own survey form to send to your supplier or customer to have to do some survey. The way is very simple. Just go to the Google Form, and then now here just simply follow the steps, and then type your survey questions and options. And then after you send out the survey form, and after the participant, okay, return the survey form to you, then you can do analysis on the data, and all the data will be kept, okay, in Google Sheet format on the Google Drive. Okay, this is very, very, very good application. Okay, this is what we so call the Google Form. Okay, and also you have what? Google Drawing. That means that you can draw anything, okay, on Google. And Google My Maps. Google My Maps basically is used for what? It's used for you. It's for you to mark your location. For example, if you would like to have a map, okay, to locate the location of a supplier, then you can copy the map and then highlight and give some drawing on the map, something like that. This is the Google My Map. Okay. If you would like to have some chart, okay, for example, like the hierarchy chart, organization chart, something like that, you used to have this one, Lucy chart diagram, something like that. If you try to explore more the Google feature, you can find more tools which are free of charge. No need to pay for the software company. Yeah, this is what I would like to introduce. Actually, any questions? No question. No question. No question. Okay, if no question, then I will stop here and thank you to my class.
Audrey, you mentioned about the issue that you got is about zooming in and zooming out in Excel.
Zoom in and zoom out.
Yeah.
And this one. This one? This one? Zoom in, zoom out?
I've heard the comment that on Excel, usually the team use Excel.
Yeah.
Cannot use control.
Or control wheel. Okay. This one?
Yeah, the team is not sure they're not sure how to zoom in and zoom out with the Google's spreadsheet. Yeah.
That means with shortcut, right? 睇下先，check 下先，我有㗎，呢度有㗎，睇下先。Zoom，嘿，Zoom，得，冇喎，呢度冇 shortcut 嘅喎，呢個，呢度冇 shortcut 啊，呢個，即係個 control 碌啊嘛，頭先你所講。係啊，呢個 control 碌太好用啦。That means if you don't have the zoom in, zoom out, that means the control wheel, okay, features, then I think you need to, first of all, to prepare all the stuff, okay, the raw data, and then upload to the Google. Okay. I feel so sorry about it, but I will try to solve another solution. If I find another solution, then I will tell you. Maybe I just follow up. I have a follow-up question after this session, okay? Because after this session, I will send you back this video demonstration, and also I have some more document I will send to you. As per mentioned before the lesson, I will send you all the PDF file on the socket key for both the Mac users and PC users. Okay? Any other questions? Yeah. Oh, then you need to ask the ITS then. Because, okay, if you really need that features, I think we need to go for the ITS to ask them to just type in password. Basically, all these add-ins are on Google Chrome web services. I think you better ask them, okay, for this, okay? If I were you, I will try it at home first and then get the feedback and then ask the ITS to, if you really want that function, then you better ask ITS to get installed on your machine afterward. Yeah. Because I previously, before the ITS locked my computer, I installed that two features. Because I find these two features are quite useful for me. So before they lock my machine, I install it by myself. Sorry. So that's why you can see, okay, I got these two features. Yeah. Any other questions? No. No, then I stop.
Any issue with adding link to the Excel?
Link?
Hyperlink?
Because I've checked it. not this issue because I find that here insert and link, we can still add links to it. Yeah.
I add link to the Google Drive file, and then after I download that, the link is missing.
The link is missing. Okay, I just try it here. Link here, apply. Download as. Still here.
I think I better share my file to you, and then you
Okay.
help me.
Because I think maybe some individual case, I need to do investigation. Yeah. Because okay. Any question? No. 死咗嘅點解？實在太好啦！我係落堂先死，唔關我事。Okay, any other questions? No question? Okay. Thank you for coming. Bye.